Welcome to Silent Screams Loud Strength. When process becomes the punishment. As if abuse in the home was not enough. When someone has already suffered behind closed doors, the last thing they should face is being harmed again by the very system designed to protect them. Justice exists to resolve disputes, uphold rights, and ensure fairness. Yet, for many people navigating difficult legal processes, the experience can feel overwhelming, confusing, and exhausting. Today, I want to talk about something rarely discussed openly. The difference between pursuing justice and becoming trapped inside the process. The purpose of the court. The court exists for a reason. It exists so disagreements can be determined fairly without bias. It exists so evidence can be tested. It exists so rights can be protected. Applying to the court is not wrong. Appealing a decision is not wrong. Seeking clarification is not wrong. Requesting disclosure is not wrong. Asking questions is not wrong. The justice system depends upon people exercising those very rights. Yet sometimes people begin to doubt themselves. They start wondering whether they are becoming difficult simply because they continue asking legitimate questions. That is often where confusion begins, when process overtakes purpose. Every legal process should remain connected to its purpose. The purpose is justice, not paperwork, not procedure, not administration, not technicalities. Those things matter, of course, because they help achieve justice. But when the process becomes more important than the outcome, something starts to shift. People become exhausted. Deadlines multiply. Correspondence expands. The focus moves away from resolving the very issue and toward simply surviving the process itself. Why records matter. One of the most important lessons anyone can learn is this. Write things down. Keep copies. Preserve emails. Preserve your documents. Maintain a timeline. Not because you expect conflict, but because memory fades while records remain. Good records protect everyone. Good records reduce confusion. Good records help establish facts. The power of transcripts. The court transcript is often one of the strongest safeguards available to anyone that enters the court system. It is not based on recollection. It is not based on opinion. it records what actually occurred during a hearing. When uncertainty arises, the transcript becomes a point of reference that everyone can return to. Facts matter, records matter, accuracy matters. Right, so this was justice should never become a test of endurance. It should remain focused on truth, fairness, and evidence. And when you anchor yourself in facts, records, and careful documentation, you protect something invaluable: your participation, your dignity, and your ability to be heard, which is your Article 6 right. If this episode resonates with you, subscribe to Silent Screams Loud Strength and Unmasking Justice. And that helps us to continue to produce this content. The next episode is Coercive Control Beyond the Home. So share this episode with someone that needs to hear it.